Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Bringing home a Vizio 5.1 Soundbar SE is all about upgrading your TV audio into something that actually fills the room, but the real difference only shows up when everything is installed the right way. A lot of people connect the soundbar and stop there, missing out on the surround channels that make this system special. This setup includes a subwoofer and rear speakers that work together to create depth, so placement and connection order matter more than you might expect. Even if all components are powered, incorrect wiring or positioning can limit the overall sound experience. Once everything is aligned properly, though, you'll notice richer bass, clearer dialogue, and a much wider soundstage. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact setup so your Vizio 5.1 Soundbar SE delivers the full experience. Try these. Step 1. Plug in the soundbar and subwoofer to power outlets and turn them on. Step 2. Allow the subwoofer to pair automatically with the soundbar. Step 3. Connect the rear speakers to the subwoofer using the provided cables. Step 4. Use an HDMI ARC cable to connect the soundbar to your TV. Step 5. Position the rear speakers behind your seating area for surround effect. Step 6. Play audio and confirm all speakers are producing sound correctly.